Toys Inc. And if you're wondering if you have seen my cat in one of my videos, Mick, come up here. Mick, come on. Mick, come on. Can you hear her? Can you even see her? Oh, you probably can't. Mick, come on. Hold on 1 sec. Hold on, so it does. Alright, you can't see her. Mick, come into the light. It's hard to do this, but Mick, where are you? Mick, stop. Mick, I'm trying to get a hold of you. Mick, she's really hard to get in the shot. But if you have seen her, then just pause it where you can. But where are you, sneaky? There's Mick. Say hello, Mick. That's my Mick. That's my cat. I got her a long time ago, but that's all I wanted to do because she's gonna be famous. She's really cute. And bye. How do I do it?